Welcome to the series of Microsoft Azure. In the previous video of this series, we have seen how to create an Azure account and start a free trial. Next, how to create a SQL database server from Azure portal and connect to the server using the client tool like the SQL Server Management Studio, SSMS, and the Azure Data Studio. You can check the link of the full playlist in the upper right corner. Today, we will see Azure Cognitive or the Azure AI search, how to create Azure AI search and different components of the Azure AI search from the Azure portal. So let's get started. So before moving to the Azure portal, so I want to introduce the Azure Cognitive or the AI search. So Azure Cognitive Search is a cloud-based search service on Microsoft Azure that allows developers to create highly sophisticated search capabilities in their application. It uses the AI, artificial intelligence, to enable full text search, suppose natural language processing, offers capabilities like language detection, OCR, image analysis, and more. Developer can use cognitive search to build powerful search experience across various types of data. And in the Azure search, we have to create the Azure Datasource where it can pull the data to search. So basically the Azure Datasource refers to the various types of data repositories and service available within the Microsoft Azure systems. It includes the Azure SQL database, Azure Cosmos DB, blob storage, data lake storage, etc. These sources encompass a broad spectrum of database. We have many databases, so each of these services caters to specific data storage, processing, analytics needs. Next, we have in the AI search Azure Search Index. So basically the Azure Search Index is a schema that defines the structure of your searchable data. It specifies the fields and their types that will be used for searching and filtering. Next, we have Azure Search Indexer. Azure Search Indexer offers various functionalities to streamline data extraction, transformation, and indexing from different external data sources into an Azure search index. Is basically used to extract data from the external data sources and populate an Azure search index with that data automatically. So now we will go to the Azure portal and we will see how to create a data source, search index, search indexers, and how to search from Azure. So to go to the Microsoft Azure dashboard, you have to go to the portal.azure.com, and here we need to create a resource. And in the create a resource page, have to search the Azure search, which will list some of the services which matches with this name Azure search, and here we will get the Azure AI search. So please click on the Azure AI search and click on create to create the Azure AI search. And the subscription will be free trial, and the resource group we created in the previous video, the SQL DB demo, will be our resource group. And here I have to put a service name, the unique service name, which is not taken already, and the region will choose East US. So you can see the Azure search demo is not available, it's already taken. We have to put a unique name here. Here I will put the unique name is Symbolic Search Demo. And next you can see the pricing tier here, 25G per platform. And if you next we have the scaling. We don't need any scaling right now, so we'll move to the networking. And the networking endpoint will be the public, and tags I will remain empty, and I will review whatever input I gave. After review, I will create the search service here. So submitting it's submitting the deployment, and you can see the deployment is in progress. Next, inside the search service, we have to import the data. So we can import the data from the different data sources. For now, like the SQL database, for now we will pick the sample from the SQL database. It's a sample DB in the Microsoft Azure. And next we have to attach the AI service. So if we don't have any AI service, so we'll create the AI service here. Subscription will be the free trial and the resource group SQL DB demo. And we have to put a unique name here for the Azure AI service. So basically the Azure AI service refers to a collection of artificial intelligence and the machine learning tools and services offered by the Microsoft Azure. And the pricing tier will be the standard 0, and we will review and create this Azure AI service. So after successfully creating the Azure AI service, so you can see that your deployment is complete. The Azure AI service is successfully created. And next we will go to the search service, and we will refresh and we will get this AI service which we created right now. And in here, and in the enrichment section, we have to choose certain fields like the extract people names, organization names from the sample database. So, but not the personally identifiable information. So this text cognitive skills in the context of the Azure Cognitive Services refers to a set of AI capabilities designed to understand, process, and analyze text-based information. These skills enable application to interpret and work with the textual data, providing valuable insights and performing various tasks based on the natural language understanding and processing. So we selected those fields. Next, we will click on the customize target index, and it will validate those fields. And after validation, you can see the fields in the Azure search index. And next we have to create the Azure search indexer. Here you can see all the fields in the Azure search index. So basically we have the beds, baths, description, uh, different types of description, square feet, days on market status. And you can see the type also. Here we have the type string, integer 32, and string and the integer 32. And you can see the column retrievable, filterable, sortable, fetchable, searchable, and sum of checked and the sum of the like if I took the example of the bed is retrievable meaning specify whether a field can be retrieved as a part of search results. So fields marked as retrievable will be included in the search results returned to the users. And if the listing ID is not retrievable, it will not will come to the results to the users. And next it's filterable. So the filterable indicates whether a field can be used as a filter criteria in search queries. Fields marked as filterable allow user to filter search results based on specific values in those fields. Filtering restricts the search result to only include items that match the specified filter criteria. Next, we have the sortables, which determines if a field can be used for the sorting search results. Fields marked as sortable enable user to sort search results based on values within those fields. Sorting can be done in ascending or the descending orders. And we have the face table. So the face tables attribute associated with fields within an index determine whether a field can be used for the faceted navigation during search operations. Faceted navigation, also known as a faceted search or filter, Filtering enables user to refine search results by applying filter based on the specific field value. Next, we have the searchable. So basically, the searchable determines uh, whether a field is available for full text search. Field marked as searchables are included in the search index text search capabilities. Users can perform full text search queries across the fields to find matches based on the text content. Next, we will create the indexer. So indexer will basically pull the data into the Azure search, and we'll submit we'll put the indexer name, and we'll submit. This will create the search service, and inside search service you can see the indexes, index and database in the left side panel in the search management. And if I go to the indexes, you can see we have the 20 documents inside the indexes. And if I go to the usage, you can see the usage of the indexes, data source, indexers, all the things, and the skill sets. And inside skill set, if I go to the AI service, you can see the AI service we created. Next, I will go to the index, and inside index I will check the index is working or not. I will search all whatever we have the document by putting star and search. You can see this is the value, whatever the field mentioned in the index, you can get this value, the beds, bots, descriptions. You can do for filtering, searching, and you can create a demo app with this search index by enabling the course. You can select the fields, whatever fields we have in the index. So I'll pick the thumbnail here to show the images, and here I will pick the description, bits, bots, and the descriptions. And next I will create this demo app, and it will basically provide us a HTML file which contains the UI to where we can search the document, whatever we created the AI search. We can perform AI search from this beautiful user interface. You can see all the filter search there. You can filter by the apartment, uh, filter by the type, filter by the days on market, square feet, etc. And you can see the thumbnail and also the descriptions. If I search with the 3A, there is no results. But if I search with A, there are some results. It's showing. It's actually coming from the Azure AI search. It's quite fast. You can play with this Azure AI search demo app. Okay, that's all for this video. If you like the video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.